Let's look at financial maths and specifically compound interest. Evan has 4,500 saved. He put this money in a saving account with a rate of 2.8% per annum compound interest. So once you see that word compound, what you think about is the formula in your table in financial maths. Let's just open that. Oh, there it was. So this is the formula for compound interest. So when we have anything that is compound, that's the formula we're going to be thinking about. So let's write it down. So that formula is, F first P equal 1 plus I to the power of T. We're going to break it down. So what do we need to do? Find how much money will be in the account after 1 year. So P means money that you are investing, the present value. So today we have 4,500. Multiply bracket 1 plus I. I is the interest rate. However, that has to be expressed, cannot be expressed as percentage, has to be expressed as a decimal or a fraction. So let's change 2% to a decimal. So it will be 0.028%. And then T stands for the number of years. So in this case, only 1 year. So to the power of 1, we put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we have 4,626. That's how much will be after 1 year. Now, what happened in the second part? Hence, so therefore, with that knowledge or otherwise, find how much money will be in the account at the end of 3 years, using the rate 2.8 per annum compound interest. Okay, so again, we can either build on that or easier, we'll be saying today we have 4,500 at an interest rate of 0.28, and it goes there for 3 years. And therefore we put that in the calculator, press equal, and we should get 4,888 point and to the nearest cent, so 2.68. So that's what I'm saying. Once you see that word compound, that's what you think about that formula in your maths table.